Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually change your screen resolution on your advanced S2 decoder. That is the quality combo decoder. So you pick up your remote and you press on the menu button, and when you come here you come to the settings, system settings, and system settings you come down to choose the color settings right here, and here that's where you can actually change the color to your preferred. We have brightness over here. You can brighten the screen and then change the contrast as well to your preferred one, and you press it and it's gonna save automatically. So that's how it should be, or where you should do the right settings on your decoder. So if this video has been helpful, you got to do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.